Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomic Table, and today I have with me a Nissan Nismo GT500 right here. This is the new car for December 2018, but before I get into this car, got a little quick channel announcement to make that yes, I will be doing a face reveal, but it's not gonna be on my YouTube account. So do check out Drifter D's channel, and either this week or next week he will upload the video with my face in it, so do look out for that. I'll update you again when it's nearer to the upload. And yeah, got my face review inside. So anyway, on to the car right here, number 13, replacing the Lexus RCF. Got the Nissan license and GT right there, and it seems for this one the date of production is right here on the red part. First time I've seen it here, which is K18 and again 18. So enough of that, and onto the car and sticker sheet, which we have right here. A bunch of really tiny little stickers, which I do not like to stick. And then the car itself. So when you first take out the car, there is this cardboard under the wing to support it. Otherwise, you know, in the box, the wing may break. So let's take out the cardboard, and here we go. Here is the most beautiful GDR Tomica has ever made. Seriously. Like, I don't even know where to start because, okay, fine. Apart from the base, this one is like one of the most detailed cars ever. So, oh my goodness, this is awesome. Yeah. Anyway, I guess we should start at the base because it has zero detailing, like no details. Like, fine, maybe just a bit of a rear diffuser right here, but hey, it's just number 13, name of the car, 2018, whatever. But there's no like exhaust pipes, axles, whatever you want to do under there, like mufflers or anything. I don't think it even has a muffler. Anyway, on to the main review, which I guess we should start this front of the car, which we have a really big front bumper right here, made of plastic and attached to the base. So above that we got some, die-cast detailing right here into the metal. We have lots of different grooves and vents. Our main grille, GTR logo right there in the middle of the front grille. Just lots and lots of detailing right there. Our front light tampos in silver. And then, you know, your Nissan Nismo on the front. And holy crap, this car looks insane. Dual air vents for the front right here. Oh my god, they look so good that, you know, I think this beats the Ferrari already. The LaFerrari. It's number 1. And on the side, we have all this vent and detailing that's like unmatched to any other car Tomica has made in a long time. And right here we have more of this plastic detailing, which is connected to the base. We have like, okay, I don't know if you can see it, but that's super detailed. I don't even know how to explain that. And above that side detailing right there, the door opens. So a really cute little door with Nissan Nismo on it. And we have a fully detailed racing cockpit inside, so everything's in there, your racing seats, whatever. And closing the door, we can see, just the sheer amount of detail Tomica put into this car. So we got our racing wheels, no chrome, and just really awesome. I mean, we got our rear diffusers right here, and on the back we have our rear light tampos, 4 of the red ones, and then we got a Nissan Nismo right here, but no Nissan badge in the center, and then a GTR logo right there. Camera, please focus, please. Nope, never mind. Anyway, we got our really huge wing, which is really big actually in comparison to the car. Like, just look at how big that wing is and how much it sticks out. It's like higher than the roof of the car, so looks just about higher than the roof of the car. So why is it not focusing? Okay, same amount of detail on this side of the car, and again the door opens, and as you can maybe spot a little difference is that this door is angled upwards right here, and it's not a full door. While this side, it's a full door with Nissan Nismo really big. So there is a small little difference between the two sides. And, well, yeah, on the roof we have a little squarish thing. I don't know what that's for, but if you do know, just let me know down in the comments. And then for the rear window, it looks a bit blacked out, so can't see anything through there. Well, it's got some detailing on the side. Pretty sure you're supposed to put a sticker on it. No, actually, but anyway, there's a sticker for the number plate, for the front right here, the roof, and everywhere. So it's gonna be a pain to put all those on. There is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14 stickers for this car. So I don't think I'll be putting them on. Well, anyway, I think it'll be nicer if they are on, but you know, my OCD is gonna mess it up. Well, anyway, yeah, this really detailed car without a suspension, unfortunately. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.